CoinCodex forecasts a 6% plunge in Bittensor by June 8. Let's begin with a brief look at today's price direction. Right now, Bittensor is trading near $212.88 after an 8% daily increase. Now, on to the expert forecast set. CoinDataFlow believes tomorrow's move could bring us to $215.78, marking a price gain near 1.4%. Coin price forecast sees potential for Bittensor to rise to $214, an increase close to 0.5%. Crypto predictions points out it could drop to $210.96, roughly 0.9% below now. Another prediction by CoinCodex indicates Bittensor may fall to $200.01, about 6% down from current levels. And lastly, 30 Rates believes in a fall to $192 by June 8th. That's 9.8% below now. This is the most rewarding projection. That wraps up the outlook for tomorrow. Time to see what else is ahead. Let's now explore how each forecast might play out. Looking across the collected predictions, the movement in price is estimated between a decline of 9.8% and an increase of 1.4%, depending on the analyst. It appears 30 Rates ends up with the highest projected return with 9.8% increase in value by tomorrow. All in all, you could earn between $5 and $98 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at the probability figures, Coin price forecast comes first with a 97.3% chance of success. By bringing all the forecasts together, I've created a single consensus overview. The consensus forecast shows Bittensor trending down by nearly 3%. Let's take a look at the numbers. The consensus scenario signals a 3% decrease in price. In simple terms, your capital might mirror the same 3% change. A 1,000 position could show potential growth of $30. And according to the combined outlook, this consensus view for Bittensor comes with a 91.1% probability. As the next step, let's review the short-term 3-day predictions. A stronger push upward is expected by CoinDataFlow. Further appreciation is also projected by Coin Price Forecast. Crypto predictions highlights a bearish short-term picture. A drop is likewise expected by CoinCodex, reinforcing the downside view. Likewise, 30 Rates believes the chart points to a decline. Consensus analysis highlights Bittensor on a negative course for the coming 3 days. In conclusion, most analysts expect Bittensor to move on to a downward track. 2 days ago, 5 predictions were published. Here's how they lined up with the market. As a result, the day closed with the price at $193.62. Just 2 forecasts captured the true direction. The tightest forecast was produced by CoinDataFlow. Now let's open up the details. The daily candle contained 2 forecasts. As for ROI, several analysts finished in profit, with CoinDataFlow leading at 5.1%. Here's the combined results. Every forecast tested and displayed. For reference, CoinCodex posted a forecast probability of 85.8%, $15.48 accuracy, and 4% ROI. Take a closer look and see who seems to be performing best in this set. And now let's see how tomorrow's return expectations differ among Bittensor and other assets. In tomorrow's forecast overview, Bittensor stays at the top with 3% in potential return. At this stage, Bittensor is compared with only 4 random cryptocurrencies. The full table with many more assets is already waiting on my website. We're done for today, friends. If this breakdown made things clearer, show some love with a like. Bye-bye.